take into account the graphical entities in a drawing and determine their quantities, we first need to select a specific entity. For example, let's select an entire room. Then select the price list document. We can open any kind of document, whether it be a price list, a bill of quantities, or even a project management file with either Primus or Primus DCF, or by selecting a price list. Once the appropriate price list item is located, for example this flooring item, we can drag and drop it into the BOQ section here on the side. As you can see, the object is also highlighted. As soon as we complete the action, the measurement data editor appears, in which, according to the object that is being considered, a selection of measurement models are also proposed. For the selected room, as well as having surface and volume measurement models, we also have measurement models for the flooring. After choosing the appropriate measurement model from the list, we find the price list item and the relating room for which it was used, together with the item total and the grand total here at the bottom. If we have a look at the document, we have the description of works column with a description of the room, this being the living room, and in the equal parts column the area value. An important aspect is the fact that this bill of quantities document can't be modified manually, but by double clicking on the item we can access the measurement editor again and make whatever changes we feel necessary to the measurement row. To quantify other items, simply proceed in the very same way. Select the price list item. Let's say this time we want to consider the skirting boards. By selecting the specific measurement model and confirming, we will now find two measurement rows in our bill of quantities. One for the perimeter and the other as a quantity detraction for the door openings.